My social enterprise name is ThinkZone, which enables women entrepreneurs in low-income communities to implement technology-driven education programs. We try to improve the learning competencies of children in rural India by providing them with holistic early childhood and primary grade education programs. I want that every child in India not just only goes to school but has the minimum learning competencies to do well in life. To be among the selected 15, it really means that as an enterprise we are being recognized at such a big platform, and to be a winner of SEMXTX award adds value to the work that we are already doing it on ground. My name is Binayak and this is my startup.